Dear students, today we are going to start with Chapter 6, Algebraic Expressions. Let us understand what is an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables, that is alphabets, and constants, that is numbers, along with algebraic operations, that is plus, minus, multiply, or divide. Expressions are made up of terms. They are also termed as algebraic equations. Let us see an example. 3x plus 4y minus 7, or you can say that 4x minus 10. So these expressions are represented with unknown variables, constants, and coefficients. So let us understand what is variables, coefficients, and constants. As you can see here, 5x minus 3 is given there. X is a variable and 5 is a coefficient. 3 is a constant, that is a number, and this whole is called a term. So in algebra, we work with variables, symbols, or letters whose value is unknown to us. That is, x is a variable and 5 is a coefficient and 6 is a constant value term which has a definite value. So the whole expression is known as binomial. That means it is having two terms. This is called binomial term. Let us understand types of algebraic expressions. There are mainly three types of algebraic expressions. First is monomial expression, second is binomial expression, third is trinomial expression. As the word signifies monomial, mono means one, single term. An algebraic expression which is having only one term is called monomial. For example, 3x raised to the power 4, 3xy, 3x or 8y. These are some of the examples of monomial expression. Next is binomial expression. As the term signifies, bi means two. Binomial expression is an algebraic expression which is having two unlikely terms. For example, 5xy plus 8 or xyz plus x raised to the power 3. These are some of the examples of binomial expression. Let us understand the third expression, that is trinomial expression. Here the word tri means three. Trinomial expression is an algebraic expression which is having three unlikely terms as AB plus BC plus CA. These are having three terms. So the other types of an expression, let us understand. You have learned about monomial expression, binomial expression, and polynomial types of expression like trinomial. So algebraic expression is classified into two more additional types. Those are called numeric expression and variable expression. Numeric expression means numeric expression and variable expression means alphabetical expression. So let us understand first what is numeric expression. A numeric expression consists of numbers and operations. Operations like plus, minus, multiply or divide. But it never includes any variables. That is called numeric expression. As you are writing the numbers in arithmetic, 10 plus 5, 15 divided by 2. These are some of the examples of numeric expression. Now, the next one is variable expression. Let us understand what is variable expression. A variable expression contains variables along with numbers. Here, the variables means alphabets are containing with numbers, and the operations are also defined in expression. Unless and until there is no operation like plus, minus, multiply, divide, that is not called an expression. For example, 4x plus y, 5a, b plus 33. These are some of the examples of variable expression. Now, the terms of algebraic equations which you are generally come up of is coefficient of a term, variable, constant, factors of a term, terms of a equation, and like and unlike terms. Let us see an example by using these terms. If 2x square plus 3xy plus 4x plus 7 is an algebraic expression, so here the terms 2x square, 3xy and 4x and 7 are the terms, and the coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant term here is 7 because it is the only numeric expression. Let us see some of the examples of like and unlike terms. What are like terms? Terms which are having the same variables that are called like terms. For example, 2x and 3y. 2x and 3x are like terms. Let us understand what are unlike terms. Unlike terms are the terms which are having different operations, like 2x and 3y are having different variables. Now, the next one is factors of a term. What are factors of a term? If 3xy is a term, then its factors are 3, x and y. Now, let us review monomial, binomial and trinomial. In class 7, you have understood about monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now, let us see the examples of these. Monomials are like 2x, and if I'll add 3y to it, then it will become binomial. And if I'll add 9 to it, it will become trinomial. So, after going through this video, let us understand frequently asked questions. How to derive algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of constant, variables, and algebraic operations like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. For example, Seema age is thrice more than Tina, and the total age of Seema and Tina is 40. So, expressing form in the condition is 3x plus x is equal to 40. 3x plus x will become 4x is equal to 40, where x is the age of Tina. Got it? Now, next is, are algebraic expressions polynomials? No, not all the algebraic expressions are polynomials, but all polynomials are algebraic expressions. Yes, all polynomials are algebraic expressions. The difference is polynomials include variables and coefficients with plus, minus, multiply, but algebraic expressions include irrational numbers as well. Also, polynomials are continuous functions, but algebraic expression may not be continuous sometimes. Is 4 an algebraic expression? No, 4 is not an algebraic expression because an expression should have at least one variable and one operation to be algebraic. Next one is, what are all the types of algebraic expressions? The three basic types of algebraic expressions are monomial, binomial and polynomial, or you can say trinomial also, where monomial is a single term, binomial is a two term, and more than three terms are called polynomials. Next one is, what is a variable in an algebraic expression? A variable in an algebraic and an unknown quantity which we need to evaluate by solving the given algebraic equation. So these are some of the questions which may come from this video, and let us understand algebraic expression so that you can move further with this